Hi, boys and girls. We're going to travel back to the rainforest today for a few minutes because we are searching for the animals that live there, and we're trying to explore what kind of skin coverings they have. So we're going to read a couple of pages, just the pages that have to do with the animals. Let me look. This is the table of contents. If I want to read about the animals, this will help me find what page to go to. So here we go. It says birds are on page 8, monkeys on page 9. Oh yeah. So yeah, let me go start at page 8. Oh, here we are, page 8. Scarlet Macaw. Many kinds of birds live in the canopy of the rainforest. They build nests in the branches. Their food is insects and seeds. The author didn't tell me what kind of skin covering the bird has. I'll bet if I look very closely at the illustration, I can figure it out. Is that skin, fur, feathers, or scales? You're right, those are feathers. On the next page, it says the red howler monkey. Let's read to find out what kind of skin covering it has. Monkeys swing from branches and vines high in the canopy. They like to eat fruit and nuts. The author didn't tell me what the skin covering is, so what do I need to do to figure it out? You're right, I need to look at the illustration or the photograph here. Let's see, can you tell what kind of skin covering that is? Is it feathers, fur, or scales? Send a video to your teacher, boys and girls. Tell your teacher what kind of skin covering this monkey has. Have a great day, stallions!